The Airbus A321XLR has officially entered the aviation world, and it's already creating waves across the industry. Airlines, passengers, and even competitors are paying close attention because this aircraft is doing something many thought wasn't possible. It combines long-range capability with the efficiency of a single-aisle jet. And that combination is changing everything, from how airlines plan their networks to how travelers experience long-distance flights. With a range of nearly 4,700 nautical miles, the A321XLR allows airlines to fly direct from cities that were never before part of the international conversation. Mid-sized airports that typically required a stop in New York, Atlanta, or Chicago can now offer direct service to Europe, South America, or Asia. That means more options, shorter journey times, and fewer headaches for travelers. It also means a more efficient and profitable model for the airlines. So how did Airbus pull this off? They designed a specialized rear center fuel tank that increases capacity without taking up valuable cargo space. This design breakthrough enables the aircraft to fly farther without adding unnecessary weight or cost. In fact, the A321XLR burns up to 30% less fuel per seat than older jets it replaces. That's a big deal when you consider that fuel is one of the biggest operating costs for any airline. Airlines are reacting quickly. Major carriers like American Airlines, United Airlines, and Iberia are already placing large orders. Low-cost operators such as Indigo are using the A321XLR to expand their long-haul routes without needing wide-body aircraft. Even Icelandair is replacing its Boeing 757s with this model because it offers more range and better economics in one package. It's not just about numbers and distance. The passenger experience is also improving. Even though the A321XLR is a narrow-body jet, its cabin design is based on the wider A320 family. That allows for more comfortable seating, better headroom, and optional lie-flat seats in business class. For the traveler, it offers long-haul comfort without the cost of a wide-body ticket. But this success isn't only about what Airbus did right. It's also about what Boeing didn't do. Boeing once led this segment with the 757. But instead of developing a true replacement, the company focused on the 737 MAX, a program that suffered from major technical issues, tragic crashes, and a global grounding. While Boeing worked to recover, Airbus quietly moved forward, capturing a market that Boeing had left wide open. The proposed Boeing 797, which might have been a true competitor to the A321XLR, was shelved before development could begin. That delay gave Airbus a head start, and they didn't waste it. Now, the A321XLR is not only replacing older narrow-bodies like the 757, it's also starting to challenge the need for smaller wide-body jets on many routes. If you can fly 4,700 nautical miles with a single-aisle aircraft at a lower cost, why pay for a Dreamliner on routes that don't require its full capacity? This aircraft is not just filling a gap, it's changing the rules. It allows airlines to fly more efficiently, reach more destinations, and offer passengers a better experience, all while lowering costs and carbon emissions. The aviation industry is now at a critical turning point. Will Boeing respond with a true competitor? Or will Airbus continue to lead this segment for the next decade? Only time will tell, but the A321XLR has already made a strong impression. If you're interested in how this story continues to develop, make sure to subscribe and follow our updates. And let us know in the comments, do you think Boeing can catch up? Or has Airbus already secured the future of long-range narrow-body travel? Thanks for watching. This is Skyline. ChatGPT can make mistakes. See.